Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Revolution You Are the Revolution PR box thing, set, collection, whatever you want to call it. Now on the outer sleeve, which I've took off just because it has the products here, so it just says the PR box, an exclusive collection of new and exciting products for the beauty influencer in you. Now I love opening boxes like this. I think it's so much fun and you just get such a nice range of products and I absolutely love it. This video is going to be done in two parts. Now this is part one and I'm going to be opening everything in here and showing you guys what's inside, and then I'll do a part two of me actually using as many of the products as I can, just so you can see yourself how they work and things. So without further ado, let's jump into opening it all up. So this entire collection I got for just £30, which I think is absolutely amazing. Like, that's such a bargain. Let's open it up. So when you open it up, it just looks like this. So everything's kind of in its own little boxes, just like the advent calendar video I did. So if you've not seen that, I'll link it in the cards for you and in the description bar below. Yeah, I'm just going to do them in order because it's just going to be the easiest way of doing it. So at the top we've got the Reloaded Spotlight Shadow Palette. So it just says on the edge of all the boxes what's inside. Okay, that is gorgeous. I absolutely love that. So this is just kind of like your pinky nudes with some golds and rose quartz, not rose quartz, rose gold kind of colours in. Like pinky tones, browns, a little pop of a different colour in there, a little blue. And then obviously you've got like your matte browns and peaches, and I'm obsessed with this palette already and I've not even used it yet. So that's the first one. So far so good. So like I said, this is the Reloaded Spotlight palette. It's all got the Christmas packaging on, like the advent calendar as well, with all the little pink stars on the black packaging. Absolutely love that. Next one is a big one. So this is the 3-piece brush set. Oh, it comes in a little bag as well. It's really cute. So the little bag just looks like this. Again, it's black with the rose gold detailing. The texture of the bag's really nice as well. I don't know if I'm the only person that likes that kind of stuff. Those are the 3 brushes. They're actually really soft. Usually when you get brushes in little boxes like this, they can be like, they can feel really cheap and spiky and stuff, but these are really nice. So you've got sort of your more tapered brush. You've got kind of like a more ovally domed kind of blending brush. And then finally you've got like your big fluffy blending brush. This is like a really soft and, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, it'd just be really easy to just kind of buff out the edges with a brush like this. Super chuffed with those, following the theme of the packaging as well with black and rose gold. And I think this little bag would be so good as just kind of like a carry around emergency makeup kind of bag. Next up we've got translucent powder. Quite a bit of a massive box for a little packet in the middle, but it's fine. So it just looks like this. It's translucent powder, there's not really much more I can say about that. Oh, it is really soft though. Yeah, it's a really nice formula actually. I don't know how it'll apply on top of makeup and things, but that's like a really creamy, really soft powder. Next up we've got the Pressed Body Highlight with Shimmer. So it just looks like that. It's actually a really pretty shade. Okay, that is a beautiful shade. Swatched it on the back of my hand. I hope you guys can see that alright. It's just kind of like a goldy shimmer. It's not an extreme intense highlight and it's not glittery either. It is a shimmer, which is really nice. I reckon it'll be one of those that you can have really subtle, or you can like build it up to make it quite intense. So that is beautiful. Next up we have another palette. So this is the Reloaded Smoky Shadow palette. This is an unusual one and probably a palette that I won't get that much use out of. But it's definitely introducing a lot more, like a lot of different shades. Some really pretty colours in there. And then you've kind of got a matte colour to kind of match all the shimmers in there as well, which I really like. It's actually a really nice palette. I'm just not sure it's something I'll get a lot of use out of. But there is definitely a lot of people out there who will love this and use this all the time. Next up is a Bronze and Contour palette. So in here you've got a nice mix of matte shades at the top and then some shimmery shades down at the bottom. Now that is actually really nice. We've got like warmer tones and cool tones. And that is, I have to swatch that, that is gorgeous. That is pretty. That is a beautiful gold highlight shade. Oh, that is gorgeous. Revolution just know what they're doing when it comes to highlighters and like highlighty tones, and they're amazing. I really like how they've got a mix of different types, so they've got the matte shades and the shimmer shades. Like, I'm not a massive shimmery bronzer kind of person, but I know there's a lot of people out there that really like a shimmery bronzer. So next out of the box is these here. So these are this is a lip gloss trio. They look stunning. So you get the shade, I think it's pronounced Chauffeur, and then there's Rose Quartz, which is this one here. It's like a really nice gold, pinky, shimmery colour. And then finally there's Iced Diamonds, which is just this really shimmery, white, silvery kind of colour. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see two of those, but this one here is the first one, so that's Chauffeur. And then the one in the middle is the Rose Quartz shade, and then the one on the end here is the Iced Diamonds. But they're all super, super pretty and will look really nice on, like, over the top with the lipstick. But yeah, so if you want something with more colour, there's this one here, but these are more, like, for me anyway, like lipstick toppers. And those three are gorgeous. So next up we have these two here, which are eyeshadow palettes, but they're like small ones. Let's have a look at these. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is the Red Sky at Night. It's super pretty. So you've got kind of like your pinky tone, matte shade, and then like a darker brown shade for more depth and definition. That's really nice. And then these two shimmer shades here. But that is a gorgeous little trio, perfect trio? Quad. Perfect little quad. Be absolutely great for on the go. I really like that actually. It's super pretty. And then the second one, so this is Golden Sage. That is super pretty as well. Absolutely love that. So you've got kind of like your gold and then like a more bronzy, goldy colour, and then these two. I'd say they're purple, but they have kind of got green undertones in there. Yeah, that is gorgeous as well. Again, perfect for on the go. And next up is this one here. So this is the Ultimate Eye Base. The only problem I find with things like this is that you can't guarantee getting like the right shades for people. So this is in the shade medium, so this will be way too dark for me. Yeah, that's the shade there. It's going to be way too dark. But then again, I guess I could use it as like a cream bronzer. I don't know. I'll have a go with it as a bronzer, and if I don't like it, I'll definitely pass this on to family and friends. Somebody with a much deeper skin tone than me. So next up is Satin Kiss lipsticks. Ooh, you get two. Thought there's only going to be one in there. So this is what they look like. The packaging is so cute. They've got like the little lips on the top and the colours, which I love. So you get the shade Renegade and Seduction. Just those there. I'll just quickly swatch them for you. Ooh, that is a gorgeous shade. I love the detail that they've put into everything in this collection. That's so cool. Even the inside is like the colour of the lipstick. I love that. So it's these two here. So this is Renegade and that one is Seduction. Now they are super, super pretty shades, those. I'm a sucker for a red lipstick, so I can't wait to give that one a go. And then that nude is like a very nice muted kind of neutral pinky nudie colour. But yes, can't wait to try those out, and the packaging is just gorgeous. I'm obsessed already. And then finally, the last thing in this collection is this one here. So this is the Illuminating Fixing Spray. It just looks like this. Again, they're just sticking with the theme with all the packaging of the black and rose gold detailing. So I love that. Now, does it smell nice? This is the main thing for me. Okay, it doesn't actually smell of anything. Oh, it does. Okay. It's not like a really chemically smell though. So a very like natural smell. It's not really intense. I'm super happy with that. For £30, I think that is an absolutely amazing selection of products. So just to quickly run over them again. So you get the 3 little brushes in this really cute little packaging, 2 beautiful little quads, so you get Red Sky at Night and Golden Sage. The bronze and contour palette just looks like this. 2 full-size eyeshadow palettes, so you get Reloaded Smoky and Reloaded Spotlight. Some gorgeous shades in both of those. A translucent setting powder, a pressed body highlight with shimmer, the ultimate eye base, 2 gorgeous lipsticks, a red shade and a nude shade, 3 stunning lip glosses, and finally the illuminating setting spray. So that is everything you get in the You Are The Revolution kind of collection, set, box thing. I think that is a stunning range of products. It is so much for just £30. It just on the website, I've just had a look, it was 80 and it's down for 30. So I don't know if that's forever or just at the minute. So if you are wanting this collection, I'd definitely get it now while it's down to just £30 because that is such an amazing price. Like I said at the beginning, this is part 1, so I'm now going to go on to a different video and do, like, I'm going to use as many of those products as I can. So if you do want to see that, make sure to click the notification bell because that will be going up on hopefully Wednesday. I really hope you enjoyed this video and see me unbox all these beautiful products, and be sure to come back on Wednesday to see the final look of using as many of these products as physically possible. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!